So in today's video, guys, I'm actually going to share a model with you that you can use in your trading. It's more along the lines for an intraday trade, so a trade that, you know, you're setting alerts at these points of interest, and then an alert goes off and you're on your phone or something, and then boom, you just click buy or sell on your phone and go through your day, and you're setting a stop loss as well, not using a mental stop loss but an actual physical stop loss. That's more along the lines of an intraday trade. We do scalp trading in the course is what I teach you. It's just like you're planning out, hey, I have an hour or 30 minutes or whatever, and then you're sitting on the charts and you're, you know, like most New York Opens, I get about 6 trades that I'm calling within that hour, right? So, yeah, intraday trade. So this is it here, guys. This is my best favorite strategy for an intraday trade, and I don't even need to show you the chart to explain it. It's so freaking simple, but I'm going to show you an image of a candle and you'll understand what it is, okay? So basically what you do is you use the Hintaki Ashi candle, which I teach in the course. You use the Hintaki Ashi candle on a daily time frame, and you mark out the top wick, bottom wick, and you set alerts on those levels, and whenever price goes to those levels, you just trade in the opposite direction. So it's really dummy proof, like extremely dummy proof, because you're basically, if price is going down and one of your alerts goes off, you just trade in the opposite direction. You set a stop loss. So for instance, you're trying to make $200 of profit on your trade, then you're setting a stop loss of $100, okay? That's the only thing I don't like about this, is it's not really, you know, you're not necessarily like really planning out where you would want to get out of the trade. You're just doing it as in, like with intraday trading, that's kind of what you do, is you either look for previous levels of interest and then you set your stop loss like above or below that level. Or what you can do is, what most people do is they just go for like a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 in profit. So if you're willing to lose $100, you're willing to make $200. You're willing to lose $100, you're willing to make $300. That would be like a 3-to-1, right? And you can even go like 5-to-1 or 4-to-1. And these are really freaking strong points of interest for little reversals. Is on the Hintaki Ashi candle on a daily time frame. You just mark out the bottom wick, the top wick, and then whenever price comes to those points, you set an alert at those points. You look at your, you know, device, whatever you're trading on, your computer, your cell phone, and you watch to see if a reversal starts at that point. Okay, so you're not just randomly going and buying at those points. You're looking at the charts, and you're looking at the Hintaki Ashi candle on the minute time frame when your alert goes off, and you're looking to see if there's a reversal pattern, meaning like, you know, do you see neutral candles at that point, right? Of course, that's the start of a reversal, is neutral candles at the start, at that point. Go through the course, study the market stages lesson, and you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. At those points, you're going to see stages 1, and you'll see a stage 3, and then you'll know, hey, yeah, this looks good for me to get in. And it's, you know, it's, I wouldn't say it's A+ setup or anything like that, just because you're doing like a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 setup where you're not, you know, your stop loss is actually like pretty far away from your entry. Of course, intraday trades, you're dropping your lot size. So I would recommend, if you're used to trading on, say, I don't know, say you're trading on 4 lots in the NASDAQ, then you trade on 2 lots in the NASDAQ, but you'd be going for a bigger move. Okay, so that's it for this video. Just look at the image of the candle that I put there, and you'll understand exactly what to do. So that's it. See ya. Bye-bye.